Hello everyone. Question is, on a project where multiple Scrum teams are working from the same product backlog, how should the work be distributed between teams? Option A, the Scrum team with the highest capacity will pull items from the product backlog first. Option B, each Scrum team must have an equal amount of user stories per sprint. Option C, the product owner separates the product backlog items for each team. Option D, the development teams pull in work from a shared product backlog in agreement with the product owner and the other teams. Correct answer is option D. Question is, which two statements best describe a sprint goal? Choose two options. Option A, sprint goals are defined when the completed work is reviewed at the end of a sprint. Option B, sprint goals give the development teams flexibility and creativity on how to implement functionality during the sprint. Option C, during the sprint planning, the entire Scrum team collaboratively craft a sprint goal based on a business objective that the product owner would like to achieve that sprint. Option D, sprint goals can change as new insights emerge during the sprint. Correct answer is option B and option C. Question is, how should a Scrum Master coordinate the work when more than one Scrum team is working on one product? Option A, teach them that it's their responsibility to coordinate with the other teams to integrate and create a shippable product increment at the end of every sprint. Option B, identify and manage the dependencies between Scrum teams. Option C, have the product owner work with the tech leads of each team to pass the product backlog and minimize overlap in user stories. Option D, merge the teams and work from a single sprint backlog. Correct answer is option A. Question is, the Scrum Master is responsible for the process in which Scrum is adopted and enacted. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option A, true. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, a Scrum Master teaches those who are interested in the development team's progress that progress in Scrum comes from inspecting an increment at the sprint review. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option A, true. Question is, what action should a Scrum Master take if the development team has decided that retrospectives are no longer necessary? Option A, start facilitating more productive and useful retrospectives. Option B, suggest reducing the frequency of the retrospectives. Option C, extend the sprint time box in order to fit the retrospectives. Option D, comply with the team's decision. Correct answer is option A. Question is, several sprints into a project, a client is complaining to the product owner about the poor performance of the product. As a Scrum Master, how can you help the product owner? Option A, coach the product owner on effective ways to communicate this concern to the development team and encourage the product owner to add the performance issues to the product backlog. Option B, till the product owner performance is defined by the development team. Option C, note the issue for the next sprint retrospective. Option D, notify the team responsible for system performance. Correct answer is option A. Question is, during sprint planning, the development team was not able to confidently forecast a sprint backlog, but the Scrum team was able to create a sprint goal for upcoming sprint. What actions should the Scrum Master take? Option A, postpone the sprint in order for the product owner to refine the product backlog to the level needed. Option B, extend the sprint planning time box until the development team can forecast enough items to begin the sprint. Option C, forecast the most likely product backlog items to meet the goal and discuss in the upcoming sprint retrospective why this has happened and what changes will make it less likely to occur. Option D, request assistance from the technical architect. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.